Open Lightroom Mobile and select your photo. All pictures have different lights. You will adjust the light according to your picture. I am adjusting the light according to my image. Contrast plus 22. Highlights plus 20. Shadows minus 40. Blacks minus 30. Select curve option. Do it step by step as I am doing. Go in color option. And minus 8. Tint minus 25. Vibrance plus 60. Saturation plus 6. Go in color grading. Hue 255. Saturation 26. Slide in midpoint. Hue 262. Saturation 28. Slide in highlights. Hue 271. Saturation 20. Scroll down. Luminance plus 17. Blending plus 87. Balance plus 15. Done. Go in color mix. Select green color. Hue plus 55. Saturation plus 89. Luminance minus 48. Select yellow color. Hue plus 94. Saturation plus 54. Luminance plus 50. Next color. Saturation minus 13. Select blue color. Hue plus 90. Select effects. Hue plus 65. Haze plus 10. Vignette minus 25. Select details option. Noise reduction 50. Details 50. Color noise reduction 50. Details 50. Smoothness 50. Your editing is complete. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.